Find two consecutive odd positive integer, the sum of whose square is 290. You see, consecutive odd numbers are x and x plus 2. These are odd consecutive. Okay, if the two numbers are odd, then one will be 2 more than the previous one. So the two consecutive odd positive integer can be considered as x and x plus 2. We will write, let us consider the two consecutive odd positive integers as x and x plus 2. Now it is given that the sum of square of this consecutive positive integer is 290. Okay, 290. The sum of square of this two consecutive odd positive integer is given as 290. It will be x square plus x plus 2 whole square will be x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 290, or 2x square plus 4x minus 286 is equal to 0. This 290 we shift there, and this will be 4 minus 290, that will be minus 260, 286. Now divided by 2, you will get as x square plus 2x minus 143 is equal to 0. This is the required equation. Now we should have two numbers. The product of them should be 143 and some more difference should be 2. And such two numbers are 11 and 13. Okay, 11 and 13, if we multiply, we will get 143. Okay, and when we subtract this 2, we will get 2. So we can write as x square plus 13x minus 11x minus 143 is equal to 0. From this 2, x we take common, it is x plus 13, and from this 2 we will take minus 11 common. This also x plus 13 is equal to 0 will get. Now we take x plus 13 from this 2 common, and another bracket we will get with x minus 11 equal to 0. If we will compare the first bracket with 0, x we will get minus 13, that we will reject because the question asks for the positive consecutive integer, so negative value we reject. And when we compare this with 0, x we will get 11, that is the first number, first odd positive number. And to obtain the second odd positive number 2, we add to this, then second odd positive number will be 11 plus 2, that will be 13. Okay, the first one is x, that is 11, and the second one is x plus 2, that is 11 plus 2, 13. So the required two consecutive positive integers are 11 and 13. A rectangular park is to be designed whose breadth is 3 meter less than its length. Its area is 4 square meter. 4 square meter more than the area of the park that has already been made in the shape of an isosceles triangle with its base as the breadth of the rectangular park, and the altitude is 12 meter. Find the length and breadth. We will consider the breadth of the rectangular park as x meter and length as x plus 3 meter. Now on the breadth, we have to construct a triangular shaped, isosceles triangular shaped park whose height is given as 12. Base of this triangular park is the breadth of the rectangle. Okay, now you see, if this rectangle have its breadth as x and length as x plus 3, so its area will be x into x plus 3. This is the area of this rectangular park. And you see, this triangular park, the height of this triangular park is 12, and its base is the base of the rectangle, the base of this rectangle, that is breadth of this rectangle, which is x. So what is the area of this triangular park? It is half base into height. So half base is here x and height is 12. This is the area of this triangular park and this is the area of this rectangular park. And this area is 4 meter square more. So what we do? We add here 4 to make the two equal. It is said that area of the triangle, area of the rectangle is 4 more than the area of the triangle. So if we add 4 to the area of the triangle, it is equal to the area of the rectangle. It will be x square plus 3x is equal to, by this 2, this 12 will cancel, 6x plus 4, and you will get as x square minus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. This is the required quadratic equation. To solve this, two numbers we need, product of them should be 4, sum or difference 3, and that two numbers are 4 means 4 and 1 only. We can write as x square minus 4x plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. From this to x we take common, x minus 4 plus x minus 4 is equal to 0, and x minus 4 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. So the two values of x will get here 4 and minus 1. This minus 1 we reject, x we will get is 4 meter. This is the breadth of the rectangle, and the length will be x plus 3, that will be 4 plus 3, that will be 7 meter. Thank you. Find the roots of the quadratic equation x plus 1 upon x equal to 3. Here we take LCM. Nothing is there in the denominator of this x, we take 1, and x we take LCM. It will become x square plus 1 is equal to 3. This 3 we multiply here. It is x square plus 1 is equal to 3x. This 3x we shift there. X square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Now we use quadratic formula to find the roots of this equation. We compare it with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. That is the standard quadratic equation. A we will get 1, b we will get minus 3, and c we will get 1. Now we apply the quadratic formula. Quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is the quadratic formula. These values we substitute here. Minus b. B is minus 3 plus minus under root b square, that is minus 3 square 9 minus 4ac. So 4 into a is 1 and c is 1. 1 into 4, that is only 4. By 2 into a is 1, so it is 2. X we will get 3 plus minus root 5 by 2. Okay. So if we solve this quadratic equation, we will get the roots of this quadratic equation is 3 plus minus under root 5 by 2. This is the another question, the second part of the example number 14. We have to find the roots of this quadratic equation. We take here LCM. LCM will be x into x minus 2, and this we divide by x minus 2 we will get, that we multiply to the numerator, and this we divide by x minus 2 we will get x, that we multiply to the numerator. 3 same, this we cross multiply here. Here minus x and plus x we cancel. It is minus 2 is equal to 3x into x minus 2, that is minus 2 is equal to 3x square minus 6x, or 3x square minus 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. So this we converted into the standard quadratic equation form. While comparing it with the standard quadratic equation, a we will get 3, b we will get minus 6, and c we will get 2. Now we apply the same quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b, b is minus 6, plus minus under root b square, that is minus 6 square 36 plus minus 4ac. So 4 into a is 3, 4 3s are 12, 12 into 2, 24 by 2 into 3, 6. So x we will get 6 plus minus root 12 by 6. Okay. So x is equal to 6 plus minus root 12, we write 4 into 3, 4, 2 root 3 by 6, or x we will get 3 plus minus root 3 by 3. Because 2 from here we take common and cancel this 6 by that 2, we will get this.